Could you be my neighbor? Would you be my neighbor? Just kidding. I don't want you to be my neighbor. But this is the Discerning Shootist here for Blue Collar Prepping. Again, in the installment about the survival motorcycling vest. You know, less is more. You know, let's carry. You know, we have our Saw, our Survive Outdoors Longer Traverse Kit. Big fan of that. Next week, we're going to do some add-ons to that and a couple other things to wrap up the vest. But this week, so just keep us honest, in the pocket it goes. What else? Oh, got a pen. Never know when you might need one of those. This week, I got a power bank. And I'll zoom right in for you. There you go. And actually, I've had it quite a while. I've had it for several months. And it is a 20,000 milliamp hour solar charger. Now, it says Benfiss on it. There you go. I don't know. It's made in China. What can I tell you? So, here's some quick features with this. Obviously, it's a solar panel across the front. You have your power indicator. Up here, you have your little flap. It does come with a power cord, which is upstairs in the power strip, you know, Death Valley. But inside, you can see right in there, had an idea. Good thing for my pen. Got a couple USB ports, plus it's charging port. Unfortunately, it's not an Apple charging port, but you know, I digress. Nice solid cover over that. It did come with this jankly little carabiner. As I drop it, it's very rugged. As you probably have guessed, I drop everything a lot. So, and on the side here, there's this power button at the top near the USB ports, and you hold it in and you press it and let it go, and maybe not. It does take a couple of seconds. Bright. Let's see if I can get it to do this. And if you didn't catch it, watch this. So if you didn't catch that, that was SOS in flashing. That's the second light sitting on that, which is super cool. I'm really a big fan of that. Not that anybody knows Morse code anymore, but the Coast Guard does. So, and there's this crappy little compass in here in the back. And it kind of tells you where north is at. I mean, there's a lot of electronics and battery and metal and magnetic fields in here, but you tap on it. And it still doesn't tell you where north is. So I wouldn't really put a whole lot in that. So maybe we need to have a little thing. Maybe not. So anyway, Benfiss, who knows? I'm pretty happy with this. A couple of things in the directions. It says you want to charge with your cord first before, you know, it gets all the way down. Protect the battery for long life. And I've done that. And it'll charge everything multiple times. My cordless earbuds, you know, what have you, it's worked really great on. On the phone, it's a little funky, but again, it's an Apple product, and so iPhones are a little funky and they're kind of choosy, but once you get it in there, it takes 20 minutes and you get 20% charge on here if this thing is fully charged. Now, when you get down towards where there's only one little indicator light down here, where it's got a small charge, iPhone won't even recognize it for more than a minute. So that's something to be conscious of. But again, when we talked about some other things on Blue Collar Prepping on another installment of the solar panel, direct sunlight doesn't generate enough energy either. So how well does the solar panel work? I don't know. I haven't got there yet. I've set it out, it's always set out, and it's pretty much always where it's just this blue light is blinking until I use it to charge my iPhone several times, and then it kills it, and then I recharge it again. So just the ambient solar temperature, or excuse me, the photovoltaic light, UV light, keeps it relatively charged. So I'm pretty happy with that. I really dig the lights. The lights are pretty bright, as you can see. How much did it cost? It was $27 delivered off of Amazon. So I don't know if we can get you an Amazon link for this. Like I said, it was a couple of months ago, but you can keep an eye out for this. or something similar project. All it says across the back is that it's a 20,000 milliamp hour solar charger. I'll just zoom in on that. Get some light in there so you can read it. There you go. So you probably have to zoom that out on your laptop. Big fan. And fits in the other CCW pocket. And there's still room. And ho, ho, ho. There we go. This is the discerning shoes for blue collar prepping. Be good, be safe. If you can't be safe, be good and dangerous.